What's up, everyone? This is Mr. Blackson from Team Blacksmith. Welcome to my channel. Back in my gun safe, taking a look at my Daniel Defense DDM4 PDW chambered in 300 blackout. Had this for about a year now, and finally got my suppressor out of jail from SilencerCo Omega 300. Going to have this bad boy installed tomorrow. So look for range name review. My suppressor installed on my Daniel Defense 300 blackout. So this is Mr. Blackson, just with a quick drop in. Like, share, subscribe, join the team. I'm out.